Hello guys, and welcome once again to Savannah Essence. Today we're making a simple balm. It is a skin lightening or skin brightening balm. The word skin lightening has been used as a replacement for skin bleaching because skin bleaching has become sort of like a local term. So these our quotes and quotes organic formulators have opted for the name skin lightening in place of skin bleaching. I have said it. You can beat me if you want to. We all know what you people are selling. You are selling bleaching cream. Sorry, but I'm making this for the armpits and also the thigh area. And so this balm is a simple balm for those of us dark skin ladies who are also a bit bigger and have our thighs rubbing against each other. You realize that that area tends to become very dark, and also your armpit area, and just simple bathing and then toiletries will not be able to ensure that you have an even skin tone. And sometimes even if you're not careful, especially if you're very big, you see that the dark patches becomes so dark that even when you wear your shorts it's a bit visible and it's not really nice. So we make this brightening balm just specifically for those areas, so just to ensure that at least you get an even skin tone within those areas. And this is a balm. It's quite simple, to be honest with you. So the first ingredients we used was shea butter. The next thing we are using is cocoa butter, and then we are using our turmeric infused oil. So basically these are just the three oils we are using. The main ingredients for this particular skin lightening balm is our Kojic Acid Dipalmitate. So that's basically is the difference, or that basically is the ingredient that is going to push this balm into a brightening and a skin and ensure that that dark area you are able to brighten it. Now a Kojic acid, mostly people popularly call, or people generally call it Kojic acid, but this is not Kojic acid. This is Kojic Acid Dipalmitate. It's a derivative of Kojic acid. Kojic acid itself is not stable. Again, skin lightening people, organic sellers, Kojic acid is not stable, especially if you are using Kojic acid in West Africa. West Africa is hot. It will react with your sun. It will oxidize. So the best option is to use Kojic Acid Dipalmitate, which is a derivative of Kojic acid and is known to be much more superior in its whitening or lightening abilities than the actual Kojic acid. What it basically does is it inhibits your what we call tyrosinase activity. So that basically is the melanin producing organ in your body. So we are dark skinned because we produce melanin, and so when you use Kojic acid, it suppresses it, and so your darkness sort of comes down. I want to show you how the Kojic acid melts easily in oil. Now Kojic acid, the name is even too long, Dipalmitate, is an oil soluble active, so you need to melt it in your oils and not your water phase. That's why you don't see it in serums, and you can use it in serums. There are a lot of ways you can use it, but you should know that it is oil soluble. And so I'm using this in the balm, and as you can see, it has melted nice and easily in this balm, and everything is going on really well. So basically that is it. So your Kojic acid, what it does, it suppresses your skin pigmentation. So as you pigment in certain areas, your Kojic acid, what it does, it suppresses it. So instead of you having dark patches on your face, Kojic acid, when applied, can help to suppress it in those areas, and then it ensures that your skin becomes brighter and a bit lighter in those areas. So it's good for people with acne, dark spots, dark patches. Now the supplier I bought my Kojic acid Dipalmitate from, the usage rate is between 1 to 5%. You would want to stick to 1 to 2% if you do not want bleaching, or if you do not want whitening or lightening. You just want to take off dark patches, especially on your face, especially if you have what we call if you have what we call what's the name of it, if you have sensitive skin. So you just stick to the 1 to 2 spectrum, and that should be fine for you. So all we needed to do is combine our oils, heat it over the double boiler method, and then pour it in a container. It's as simple as that. This has no fragrance, it has nothing. I'm applying this on my armpits and then my inner thigh area, so really there's nothing fancy about it. It's very, very simple. So basically that is it. So like I said, it's very stable in heat and it's light, so it doesn't color change. Kojic acid itself, if you buy it within 3 months, you will start seeing color changes in it. And so I think as formulators, let's always try and get the ingredients that will work for us and for our clients, because you will formulate and then sell it to your people, and then you are sitting back collecting your money, but it's oxidized in the person's house and the person is just applying it on their skin and they are getting something else. It's not nice. So it's simple, it's nice, it's easy, we can all make it. This is very, very simple. If you have your Kojic Acid Dipalmitate, you can use it. Because I tend to have very dark thigh areas, I'm using the higher spectrum of it, so I'm using the maximum usage range, which is 5%. So basically our oils are 95% and then our Kojic acid is 5%, and then I have my balm, and it's easy and it's simple. It's melted, it's cooled down. I'm just going to set it aside, it will harden, and basically that is all. It's as simple as that. So any of us can use it. You can use it in your salves, you can use it in your creams, you can use it in your lotions. I mean, it's a very good ingredient for getting rid of dark patches, but it can be abused. So I am begging all of you, please and please again, we will share the recipe for this. Don't go and make this and sell it as a skin bleaching agent. The reason why I make a lot of skin brightening stuff for people, but I don't share it here because it can be abused. Please, so don't abuse it. So don't go and bleach with this thing. You've seen my skin. Have you seen how my skin is? I am extremely dark. Very proud of it. We don't bleach our skin. With all the ingredients we are aware of, we don't bleach our skin. This is a very nice balm and butter. You can use it. I've said my own. All right, so thank you very much for sticking and staying with us. I hope you make this. I really hope you make this at home and then give it a try, and then let me know what you think about it, especially if you have dark patches on your face and other things. You want something easy, simple to make, nothing complicated. You can make this as simple, and then you can let me know. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then like this, and then give us feedback in the comment section if you have been able to make this. If you also bought any organic cream that has damaged your skin, kindly let us know in the comment section. We usually like to hear some of these things and see if we can troubleshoot. But basically that is it. It's a balm. It's nice, it's shiny, it gives your skin that glow. I'm not using it for my skin, but if you want, it will give you that glow as well.